little stiff.
Let me show you how we got here.
Especially dancers, it's like that hamstring, IT band, all that stuff is just nice and tight. Similar, but I'll just be doing everything. You'll see.
Meaning like that's what it reminds me of.
Yeah. Well, the last adjustment will be basically that. But just as great for your posture. Deep breath. Breathe out.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Talking about before, I think both arms.
Oh.
You're gonna hug yourself. I'm gonna give you a little push. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Let it fall. Good. Let it fall. One more. Deep breath. Breathe out. Easy.
Yeah.
Not so bad, right?
No.
Perfect.
Should it be that bad?
You're ridiculous. You're in great shape to start, but you're ridiculously stiff. So yes, the first few times it will be like that.
Okay, great.
Good, so we're gonna go just like this for you. If it's too much, you let me know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, his like eyes lit up when he got adjusted. He's like, what did you do this to?
I was like, because we're in fitness, so we don't think we're like.
No, definitely not. People in
Like,
fitness are the
no,
worst.
we're agile.
Yeah.
And then we come here and it's like, wow.
Yeah, it's like starting from ground zero.
Yes. Because I used to dance for the Knicks, and we had like.
Oh, I just started treating them.
Yeah.
The dancers. It's a little stiff.
Yeah, I think I've always had
Yeah.
bad tension there.
Hug yourself.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta straighten your shoulder. Move this a little bit.
Mhm.
Perfect. That's what you do. Pulls the shoulder blades out of the way.
Yeah.
So this part you'll feel a bit more. Everywhere. So he's in like cloud 9 right now.